Welcome to Scholanetz. Please like and subscribe to learn math with easy and step-by-step explanations.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn about multiplication of fractions. So let's go started. When we are multiplying fractions, we have to follow certain rules. What are the rules? The rules are so simple. Here it says you have to multiply the numerators and you have to multiply the denominators. Simplify if needed. That's the only rule which we have to follow when we are multiplying the fractions. First, we have to multiply the numerators, then we have to multiply the denominators. And if we can simplify it, we can simplify it also. Okay. So when we are talking about the multiplication of the fraction, it means finding a part of a part. Multiplying fractions means finding a part of a part. If take examples, for example, 1 over 2 multiply, right, 1 over 3. If we'll take the diagram to make you understand, this is a diagram, okay? And this one, the 1 over 2 means this one we have to first divide into two equal parts. And out of two equal parts, one part is shaded. Then three parts. It means we have to divide this into three equal parts. 1, 2, 3. And out of three equal parts, how many parts should be shaded? One part. Okay. Now, how many total parts now it becomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means now it has 6 total parts. And then we have to find how many parts are double shaded. It means, see, can you see this part? This one is shaded two times. One for half and the second time it is for 1/3. So it means how many part that is double shaded? It is one part. So this will be our answer. So when we are talking about the fraction, it means finding a part of a part. If we multiply it also, it means 1 times 1, it will be 1, and 2 times 3, it will be 3. Sorry, it will be 6. 2 times 3, it is 6. When we use the diagram to explain it, we have to do one fraction with the horizontal one and another with the vertical one. And then we have to see how many total parts we get, and out of the total parts, how many parts are shaded two times or how many parts are overlapped. Okay. Here we have number 1, 2 over 3 multiply with 4 over 5. So what we have to do for the rule, we have to recall our rules. What the rule says, we have to multiply the numerators. 2 times 4, it will be 8. Then it says we have to multiply the denominators. 3 times 5, it will be 15. And the third one says we have to simplify it. Can we simplify it? Can we find a common factor which can simplify the both? No. So it means we can't simplify it further. So this will be our final answer. Let's take another one. 1 over 6 multiply with 3 over 4. 3 times 1, it will be 3. 6 times 4, it will be 24. Here we can simplify it. For simplifying, what we have to do, we have to look for a common factors that divide both the numbers, the numerator as well and the denominator as well. So we have to find the common factors which divide the top number and the bottom number by the same number. Here 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 8 is 24. So we can simplify it into 1 over 8. This is the final answer. Okay. Let's take to for a few more questions. 5 over 8 multiply with 2 over 3. 5 times 2 it will be 10. 8 times 3 it will be 24. Can we simplify it? Yes, we can further break it down. How we can do it? We can do it with the 2 times 5 is 10 and 2 times 12 is 24. This is the final answer. Let's take one more. 7 over 9 multiply with 3 over 5. 7 times 3 is 21. 9 times 5 it will be 45. Can we further break it down? Yes, we can do it. 3 times 7 will be 21. And 3 how many times it will be 45? 15. 3 times 15 is 45. So this is our final answer. Okay. I hope till now it's clear how we can multiply the fraction. We have to multiply the numerator and then we have to multiply the denominators, and after that we have to simplify it if it's needed. Okay. Now we will see how we can multiply the fraction by a whole number. Okay, that was the multiplying fraction with the fraction. Now it is the multiplying fraction by a whole number. So when we multiply a fraction by whole number, what we have to do? We have to turn the whole numbers into a fraction. For example, 3 multiply with 2 over 5. 3 is a whole number and this is the fraction. So what we have to do? We have to change the whole number into a fraction. So how we can change the whole number into fraction? We have to simply put 1 in the denominator place. Now it becomes as a fraction. Then multiply with the 2 over 5. Then simply we have to proceed as we know. We have to multiply the numerator. 3 times 2 it will be 6 and 5 times 1 it will be 5. And here what we get here? It's an improper fraction. It means we have to change it into mixed number. We can't leave our answer like this. So we have to change it into mixed number. So how we can change it? It will become 1 over 5. If you don't know how to change the improper fraction into the mixed number, please check my previous video. I have explained everything, how we can change to the improper fraction, how we can change into the mixed number. Everything is there in the all my videos. Okay, so please go and check that one as well. Like another one, 5 multiply with 2 over 6. Here 5 is also a whole number. It means we have to change it into we have to change this 5 into a fraction. We have to simply put 1 in the denominator place. Then multiply with 2 over 6. 5 times 2 it will be 10. 6 times 1 it will be 6. Then we have to simplify it as, see here we can break it down. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we can change into mixed number. It will come 1, 2 over 3. This will be our final answer. Okay. Always remember, if you get your answer as a improper fraction, don't forget to change into mixed number. If you will leave it like that, then your answer will not be correct. Okay, so you must change improper fraction into the mixed number. So always remember this. Okay, let's take more question of multiplying fraction by whole number. 6 multiply with 1 over 4. 6 is a whole number, so we have to simply put 1 in the denominator place to make it as a sorry, the fraction. 6, 4. We can further break it down into 3, 2. Now it is the improper fraction, so it will be 1, 1 over 2 as a mixed number. Take another one. 2 multiply with 7 over 9. 2 times, sorry, this one first we have to change into fraction. When you change the whole number into fraction, you have to just simply put a number 1 in that denominator place. Okay, nothing more you have to do. Then 2 times 7, it will be 14. It will be 9. Now this is the improper fraction, and we have to change the improper fraction into the mixed number. It will be 1 5 over 9. Okay, so this is our answer. 4 multiply with 5 over 6. Here 4 is the whole number, so we have to change into fraction. We have to multiply it. 4 times 5, it will be 26. And further break it down into 10 over 3. We have to do. This is our final answer. Okay, I hope this one is also clear, how we can multiply the fraction with a whole number. Okay, when we are doing the multiplication of fraction, there is a concept of cross cancellation. What is cross cancellation? If we have fraction that is bigger fraction, for example 9 over 8 multiply with 4 over 9. Okay, so this is a fraction multiplication, and here we can use the concept of cross cancellation. How we can use? See, we have to cross cancel. This is the cross, this side and this side. We have to find a common factor which can divide this one as well and this one as well. And the same in this two number, we have to find a common factor that can divide 6 as well and 3 as well. That 2 times 2, it will be 4. 2 times 4, it will be 8. Similarly, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. Now it becomes 2 times 2 over 4 times 3. 4 over 12. And we can further simplify it to 1 over 3. Okay, or you can directly here you can say 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. Then it will become 2 times 1 and 2 times 3, it will be 6. So this is called the concept of cross cancellation. You can use this concept of cross cancellation also. If you don't want, it's not compulsory to use it. Okay, if you want, you can use it to make it easy and smaller as well. Or otherwise, you can just simply you can just multiply the numerators, like 6 over 8 multiply with 4 over 9. 6 times 4 is 24. 8 times 9 will be 72. Okay, and then you have to break it, simplify it further. Uh, See here, you got the big number, and if and when we use the cross cancellation here, then we got the smaller number, and it's easy for us to find our final answer. So that's why we are using the concept of cross cancellation to make it easy. Take another example. 1 over 2 multiply with 4 over 5. Here also we can use the concept of cross cancellation. See, 4, here is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Here it is 1, here it is 5. Can we do it? No, we can't find any common factor which can divide both 1 as well and 5 as well. So we can do only this one. So it will become 1 times 2 over 1 times 5. It will be 2 over 5. We got our answer. Okay, take one more. 3 over 7 multiply with 2 over 3. So here we can use the cross cancellation. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. This side we can't use it because we can't divide 7 with 2. It will become 1 times 2. 7 times 1 will be over 7. I hope it's clear. The concept of cross cancellation is also clear. You have to just see whether you can cross cancellation. You have to just check whether you can do the cross cancellation or not. So the number will break down into a smaller number, and it's easy for us to multiply it and find our final answer. Okay. Now let's solve the word problems related to the multiplication of the fraction. The first question says, Liam ate half of a cake. The cake had 2 over 3 chocolate. How much chocolate did he eat? And when we find off, we are talking about actually multiplication. Okay, whenever we find off, we are actually multiplying it. Always remember it. Whenever it is off, we are always multiplying it. Okay, so it says that Liam ate half of a cake. The cake had 2/3 chocolate. So how much chocolate did he eat? So what we have to do? We have to multiply half of how much? 2 over 3. It means 1 over 2 multiply with 2 over 3. This of means multiplication. Now you can multiply 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 3 is 6. Yes. And then will be further simplified into 1 over 3. This is the answer. And the second question says, a book has 4/5 of a chapter left to read. Emma reads 1/3 of the remaining chapter. What fraction of the whole does she read? So what we have to do? We have to multiply 4 or 5 of, I say, Emma read 1/3 of 4 by 5 left. Will be 1 by 3 multiply with 4 over 5 will be 4 over 15. This is the final answer. Okay. And when we multiplying fraction, the answer usually gets smaller. Okay. Always remember that when we multiply fraction, the answer usually gets smaller. In the normal multiplication, when we multiply the numbers, the answer will be bigger. But when we multiply the fractions, the answer gets smaller. Always remember this, okay? I hope the multiplication of fraction is clear. How we can multiply the fraction. We have to just multiply the numerators, we have to multiply the denominator, and we have to simplify as needed. See you in the next video with another topic. Till then, keep practicing. Bye.